Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to share a Looker Studio report publicly. So this is my report right here, and all you need to do is come to the top right and click on this down arrow. We have different options to share. You can invite them. Okay, you can get a report link, embed the report, or even download it. First I'll show you this one, and then I'll show you the download one. Okay, so if we click on get report link, it would give you this link. Now if you copy this and send it to someone, this is what they'll view. They cannot view the report because we haven't made it public yet. So we can click on this to copy it, but before you actually share it, click on view sharing settings. Okay. Now come here, change the link settings from restricted to public or at least unlisted, and then make sure you save it. Okay. And then once you share it with someone, as you can see, they are able to view it. Okay. That is the link. Now, the other way is a PDF. So you click on this down arrow, and as you can see, someone is actually viewing my report right now. I can see this icon of a person. So we click on this down arrow, click on download report, and you can download it as a PDF. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and download all pages. If you want to select certain pages, you can come here and tick on this check mark. Okay, and within this checkbox, or I'll just go ahead and download all the pages. So I'll toggle this, click on download, and the PDF is being prepared, and it will be downloaded here at the top right. But let me show you an example. This is what a PDF would look like. Okay, it's the exact report, and you can share this via email, WhatsApp, or any other method. Okay, and there you go. It has downloaded. Really that easy and simple.